Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Dose of Smiley. Y'all, so I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different today. So I'm gonna be focusing on the next couple of weeks, especially this month of October, on consistency. I haven't been really consistent with making videos. Sometimes it's just hard getting up every day, and I'm having trouble staying committed to doing one thing. So I'm gonna make a commitment to do this. I'm even
Really,
struggling
nigga?
to stay committed in my pregnancy with a lot of things, like remembering to take my medicine, my vitamins and stuff like that. So just I need to get it together. So you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to take y'all on the journey with me. I will be moving next week. So my house right now is a complete mess. I'm also going to be doing probably putting up I think my well, I'm 13 weeks right now. 13 weeks in like 4 days or something like that. I'm gonna be putting up my I'm forgetting what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put up my 13-week update because I'm behind. The last one I put is 10. So basically, I'm doing them every 2 weeks because nothing's really happening. So my first one I put up was 6 weeks, then 8 weeks, then 10 weeks. So I'm now 13 weeks. So I'm gonna probably shoot that later on today. But my stomach is starting to pop and it's starting to get a little bit hard. Right now. Well, not right now, but at this stage. I haven't been consistent with taking pictures. I know I got one earring in my ear. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, consistency. I'm going to show y'all the real. This is how it is. This is what it's like, man. Coronavirus is happening. Like, it's just a lot going on in the world. And just people, like, I'm at the point in my life where I'm 30 years old. And I don't really care what people think anymore. Like, nobody can hurt me. Like, you can't say anything about me that's gonna hurt me right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't let it hurt me. Let's make that clear. I can't let anything hurt me, bother me. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my crib. Show y'all that me moving and shit like that. I'm not gonna show y'all my tub. If I don't always look at the camera either, I'm working on that too. This is a work in progress. Trying to look at the camera, trying to hold it, get the angle. I'm using a tripod. You can see it. You see how long it is? Yep. My thing is not the cleanest. Anyways, so here's a box. This is one of the boxes I have in the bedroom. This is like all bathroom stuff, like my vitamins and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Whatever medicine I'm taking, my oils, different things, bathroom stuff. And then all that's really left on the counter is a toothbrush, some of this, a rag to clean the counter. This is to clean the bathtub. I need to clean the bathtub. A brush. This was in the box. I actually need to put it back in the box. This is my man 360 Style gel. And then some oils. Let me pick this up for this spills. Deodorant, you know what I'm saying? And then, of course, the stuff to brush your teeth, wash your face. That's the bathroom. Nothing really to do in there. Out here, it looks a hot mess. I need to clean off this dresser. I'm not taking this dresser with me because it is way too heavy. It's pure wood. It is way too heavy, though. And the drawers don't come out. So even that you take the stuff out, it's just too heavy. And I'm moving back onto the second floor because of COVID. It's really hard to find first floor. Nobody's moving. No one's moving right now, like on their own. People are really waiting till they're being forced out of their apartment. So because no one's waiting right now, no one's moving out right now really like that, it's really hard to find an apartment, especially on the first floor. So it is what it is. This apartment's on the first floor. This other one's on the second. We was originally gonna move on to the third floor. This apartment complex has a third floor, and I was like, I can't do, like, I'm about to be pregnant soon. I can't do 3 floors. You know what I'm saying? And my mom wants to visit, and she has back problems and knee problems, and it's just too much. So they switched us to a 2-bedroom. They had one that came available, so we're gonna do that. Still, It sucks being on the second floor, but you know, it is what it is. This apartment's much cheaper. It's a 2-bedroom. It's much cheaper than this 1-bedroom that I'm in right now. And we need the extra space for the new baby and the growing situation. Anyways, so this is my little speaker system. I need to get a new one. It got a whole bunch of wires to it. I don't know if you can see them wires, and it's really irritating. This is trash for the room. I want to show y'all this little thing I've been working on. So the white part is the board used to be white with I wrote out the letters, like I traced out the letters, and then I traced out the stuff on the side. I did it first with the whiteboard, and then I got black paint. This is chalkboard paint because I want to be able to use a chalk to like circle the words. So I got different words, inspirational words, like I got faith, you know what I'm saying? Then I got red, that's my man's nickname. Then I got loyal, money, family, support, Smiley, my nickname, trust, you know, different things. And when people come over, you know what I'm saying? Nothing but good beliefs, inspiration, hope, peace, you know what I'm saying? Faith, love, I want inside my house, man. It's been a hard year for me. And I just want nothing but good vibes. So people come over, you got to come in and you got to circle what means the most to you. So, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing. Just something cute I worked on. I've been working on this forever. It's just a whiteboard. I don't know if you can see that. Just a whiteboard. And it's pretty big. I don't know if you can see the reference of it. But anyways, I'm almost done with this. It's really hard. You don't understand. Because you don't... look how small... You can't tell because it's on the thing. But if I zoom out... You see how small some of the lettering is? Trying to paint around that, you see how so some places I gotta fix. It was really hard painting around this. But from a distance, when you look at it, it looks great. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, it's my bed. Nothing I'm doing with this yet because I still gotta sleep on it. This dress I have to clean off. And then... here's my desk. I was looking at some stuff on YouTube. I gotta clean my desk off though. Here's my work computer and my personal computer. My closet is I got most of the stuff down, but it's still a mess. I still got you know what I'm saying, some stuff hung up, but most of the stuff is down. Just some little things, little trash that I'm gonna clean up. This probably in the next couple of days. Then I got some more boxes out here. Like I said, excuse my house. I don't really care what y'all say. Like I'm moving. Y'all don't understand. When you move, you have to pull everything out from where it normally goes. And if you hear something running, I'm doing laundry right now. It actually smells amazing here because the laundry's running. And that's one thing I'm losing. This apartment that I'm moving into is cheaper. It's a lot cheaper than what I'm paying here for a 1-bedroom. Like this 2-bedroom I'm moving into is $300 cheaper than my 1-bedroom I live in now. That's crazy. So so I got my box here with my pots and pans, my plates and stuff like that. Got some dishes in the sink I gotta clean. Had some canes the other night. Over here I got some, this is all the food and stuff like that. And some of the silverware. I got my kitchen table. This is my grow tent up here. Because I do grow herbs. Wink wink. And fruits and veggies as well. In home. But I haven't done it. I haven't been doing it the last, I say a couple of months. Because just with the COVID, money has been tight. So... gotta spend money on more important things than feeding plants. This is another box. This is like a junk box of miscellaneous stuff. Got my sneakers in there. Got all the suitcases packed. doing some laundry. This is what I'm gonna miss, these washers and dryers.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
There is no washer and dryer at this other place that I am moving to. They don't have a one-in unit. They have a washer and dryer unit in the complex, but it's small. It's a small complex too. I don't want something big like the one I'm in now. I just want something small, you know what I'm saying, quiet, just so I can have my baby, get situated in life with the baby, and then I plan on getting into a house because by the time the lease is up for this apartment, my baby should be around about 6 months. 6 or 7 months. Or whatever. So that'll be probably 6 months. So that'll be good and whatever. Trying to think. Oh, this is my boyfriend's stuff. He put his clothes and stuff in the box. So mainly his shoes is in the box. He just got a little bit of clothes on top. The rest of his stuff is in the suitcases. And then I got my fish tank that I need to, you know, do what I need to do with, but that won't be for a while. It's actually really dirty in this fish tank, and I don't want to clean it because then I don't want to clean it, put more water in it just to have to move them, take all the, you know what I'm saying, all the water out. So they're not gonna die. I've seen tanks way worse than this. They'll be fine. It's not that dirty. You can still see through the tank. Some people you can't even see it, but it is starting to get a little cloudy. I don't know if you could tell, but that's my fish tank. I got 2 red tiger mollies and then two black mollies. That's probably the biggest they're gonna get to. It was much smaller when I got them. Then I got my TV over here. It's 55-inch smart TV. I have to depack this and the PlayStation. Clean off this. These are computer tables. This is what I'm telling you, man. Times was hard. I was supposed to get a TV stand this year. But I wasn't able to because I just wasn't able to because of COVID. So, and then everything was gone. Like, people just felt like they needed everything for their house at the same time as when COVID was happening. So, yeah, so this is on 2 computer stands. This is what my old computer was on because I bought a new computer stand. It was much cheaper. So this is what my computer was on, but it was small and it wasn't, you see how the bars at the bottom go opposite directions? It didn't go the way the L-shaped desk that I wanted went. So I'm using this. Excuse me, I'm using this as a TV stand. I'm probably gonna take this with me and use this again as a TV stand because it's worked. I mean, when we move, all I'm gonna have is the PlayStation because we're not gonna have cable. This apartment came with cable, but it came with basic cable. It came with cable and internet. That's another thing I'm gonna miss about this apartment, is that the internet came with the rent, so you paid it all together. So we're gonna have to get internet because nobody since we've been here. I don't think I've turned that TV on once, and I did a short lease here, 6-month lease, because I had to get out of a bad situation when COVID happened. 6 months, like, have not turned that once. Maybe once, just to see what it looked like, and never again, because I don't want to get into it. Anyways, then I got my teddy bear. I've had this teddy bear for so long. His name is Barry. That's the homie. Like, to be honest, I don't really know why I keep it. I don't even remember how long I had it. And I don't remember, I really don't remember nothing about it. But I know it's a big ass bear. I'm probably going to get rid of it during this move. The only reason why I kept it, and I know I kept it, because my dog, Chloe, which I no longer have, I gave her to a family member. See, pregnancy brain, forgot my train of thought. So my dog Chloe, she's a little terrier mix. She used to like laying on the legs right here, so I kept it because that was like her little spot. And then I got my other couch here. It's a hot mess. This is just some blankets and some clothes. I've been working on cleaning this middle console thing out so it could be moved. The back of these backs come up, and so does these little side pieces right here. So it makes it the bottom piece only, because the bottom piece is metal, because these are recliner seats. This one reclines, and then these two recline. Then I got my rug over there. It's an area rug for the floor. Over here, I think, oh, these are a bunch of clothes that I'm giving away. I just threw over there. Like I said, everything's just pulled down all over the place. It doesn't really look too bad. Most of my stuff that is being moved, I put in this corner. So I'm gonna kind of keep everything in this area. So when it's moving day, it's just easy to just grab the stuff out the dining room, which I did that before in one of my other places, and the move process was so smooth. So smooth. So then I got some trash here by the front of the door that needs to go out. This is just I forgot what this boxes. Oh, airbed that broke. A tub that had some Cheetos in it. Then another box and a thing for my blanket. And that's really it, y'all. Just wanted y'all to see, get a view what the apartment looks like. You know what I'm saying? Sorry if it's slanted. I'm sorry, I'm giving y'all slanted views. This is the front door. Since I'm moving, it doesn't really, I don't care. I didn't want to show my apartment too much because I don't know who watches my videos, and I got some weird people that I just don't, you know what I'm saying, that's just weird. Anyways, bedroom. I'm trying to give you a view of the space. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath in Las Vegas, 800 square feet. I'm probably not going to tell you the name of the apartment complex until I move, but it's 800 square feet. Pretty big for a 1-bedroom in Las Vegas, but that's like a little area where I have my computers and stuff. This is the bed. You see how much space you had before that computer table was there. Oh, this is another area rug, and then you got this much space here with the dresser kind of tucked in, and then you got, sorry if I look a hot mess, I don't really care though. Then you got the bathroom area, which is no door, just a archway. Then you got the bathroom, the actual bathroom here, and then you got the counter, which is one counter, little vanity area. And the bathtub is a Roman tub. My tub is not the cleanest, so I'm not really gonna show you, but you know what I'm saying, you kind of see how big it is. Cause I had to wash some stuff in my tub the other day, so. And then my closet, like I said, my closet is a hot mess, but you're gonna see the difference as I post more videos while I'm moving and getting stuff together, how things is gonna change and stuff like that, and look more put together. And then I'm gonna take you on the journey with me to see the new place, the moving process with that. This is what the patio looks like. My boyfriend sits outside and smokes his cigarettes because he's not allowed to smoke in the house anymore because I'm pregnant. And that's our old dog cages that I have for my dog. But anyways, guys, I'm about to end this video. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you my place and stuff like that. And let you know that I'm moving and stuff like that, so you can follow me on the journey of me moving. Like I said, I'm gonna start vlogging more and all of this, talking about my pregnancy, because things are starting to transpire. I went to the doctor, had a whole bunch of tests done for genetics and stuff like that. So like I said, I'm gonna post a video for that if you guys find that stuff interesting. But I gotta go. I will see y'all later. Peace out. Gang, 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 gang.